This is my first design of a drone. I used a tiny RC car. It was a Hot Wheels RC car, and I was trying to, I mean, it doesn't have a gyroscope, it doesn't have any of those. I was trying to make it a simple drone for it to just lift up, that's it. So I started out with this piece. When I printed it, it was good, and then it was too heavy. So I redesigned it to be half as thick, right? And have, let me see, extra holes in it so it's much lighter. And that did improve it, but yet it was still quite heavy because I used 100% infill. So then I finished with this design. It's much more smoother and has like very little infill, and it doesn't lift up, but I will improve that in the future. But currently I'm pretty sure the battery is dead, but I will still improve on that. But I have made other kinds of things with the 3D printer ever since I've gotten one on Facebook Marketplace. I've made this speaker. It's designed based off of subwoofers because they have the port. I have the inside design. I have it super glued shut, so I cannot currently show the inside of it, but I do have a CAD design of it, so you could see the inside. And I will show that right now. So I used Fusion 360 to design it. I used a ported design because I wanted the sound to be much more boomy, like how when we see a subwoofer is designed. I intended it to make decently low frequencies, but obviously the speaker I used was I'm pretty sure mid-range speaker, but all in all I used lots and lots of curves. I didn't know the actual dimensions or the information about the speaker, so I did it based off design. Normally you're supposed to find out the amount of space it can actually handle, and since it was a like hovering design between there, I had to add a couple other parts to it, including the side panel. I couldn't just have it flat. I had to make it have the same engraving as the same engraving as the side exactly, and I did that on here.